Hi friends, today I would like to explain about code coverage tool Jacoco. So Jacoco is a code coverage tool for Java. So code coverage is a software metric used to measure how many lines of our code are executed during automated tests. Like Jacoco reports help you to visually analyze code coverage by using diamonds with colors for branches and background colors for lines. So red diamond means that no branches have been exercised during the test phase. Similarly, yellow diamond shows that the code is partially covered. So you need to write other whichever branches have not covered, you need to exercise during test phases. So green diamond shows that all branches have been exercised during the test. So friends, I will show this what are the colors, how to what is the color, different colors, how to distinguish which are the lines you have covered while during the test phase. Like that I will show once I in going forward. So for the first you need to uh, just uh, just take this an example only. Hi friends, today I would like to explain about code coverage tool. What is code coverage? Code coverage is a software metric used to measure how many lines of our code has been covered during test phase. So generally here I am going to explain Jacoco plugin. So in this video I will explain what are the dependencies we need to add in the application and how to configure the plugin. Hi friends, today I would like to explain about code coverage tool Jacoco. So code coverage is a software metric used to measure how many lines of our code are executed during the automated tests. So similarly, Jacoco reports helps you visually analyze code coverage by using diamonds with colors for branches and background colors for lines. So red diamond shows that no branches have been exercised during the test phase. Yellow diamond shows that the code is partially covered and some of the branches have not been exercised during test phase. So green diamond means that all branches have been exercised during the test. So to demonstrate this Jacoco plugin, I have followed these steps. One is first I created one normal Spring Boot application and I added dependencies like JUnit, Jupyter dependency in Maven pom.xml and as well as plugin configurations I added in pom.xml and write one Java class and write JUnit test cases for that class and do maven build clean install and check the Jacoco report. So let us start. So see here I created one normal Spring Boot application here. So as I explained earlier, first we need to add dependencies, JUnit dependency or Jupyter dependency. So here I am following JUnit 5, so which is latest version. So I am adding dependency Jupyter dependencies here over here, and I excluded the default plugin dependency that is default dependency that is and I excluded the from the Spring Boot start test. I excluded this JUnit vintage engine. So and I added explicitly these Jupyter dependencies here. So only these two dependencies you need to add here, and as part of plugin configuration, you have to add this part of code. So it contains what is the group ID and certificate ID one, what is the Jacoco version, and the configuration you need to add here to specify what and all classes you don't want to exercise or not do code coverage. So those classes or packages you need to specify here. So once you specify here, the Jacoco doesn't generate any code coverage report for these two, for the mentioned excluded package or classes here. So similarly, you need to mention the goal and what is the output directory. If it is here I mention output directory is target folder and Jacoco. So if you don't mention anything, by default it will generate a site folder under the target folder. So it generate one HTML file, index.html file. So we specified externally explicitly target slash Jacoco ut. So it will generate the report under this specific folder. So as part of pom.xml, you need to configure these details only. And as I told earlier, third step is you need to create one normal Java class. Normal Java class is set of methods. So I created two classes here, two Java classes here. One is date formatter utility and math util. So math util does have only two methods, one add and multiply. Two methods are there. So you need to write for each method you need to write one JUnit test case. So whenever you execute whenever you do maven build clean install, it will generate JUnit test cases will execute, and the Jacoco will generate a report based on the JUnit test cases execution. So whatever test case we have written, based on that only Jacoco report will generate. So I will show how I write the Jupyter test cases here. So I imported the Jupyter package here, API here, and I have written one test case for the string to date method. Like that, you need to write all JUnit test case for each method in that class. So similarly, I have written JUnit test cases for the math util also. So to get an idea, if you haven't written any test case for a specific method, it will show code coverage is some less code coverage while after generating the report. So to get an idea, I commented this method so that you can clearly observe while after generating the report. You can clearly monitor that this method, it will show red color. So but for this particular method it will show green color, means this method is covered while exercising this JUnit test case, but this method is not yet covered because I put it comment mode. So it won't it will generate Jacoco report will say about this particular method has not covered during test phase. So let me build. Now the JUnit test cases are running. So you can see here 0 failures, all are executed successfully. So now the build is success. So as I mentioned earlier, if you go to the target folder, the output directory is Jacoco ut. So inside that index.html, this is the Jacoco generated report. So I excluded the other package, so that is not listing here. So it is listing only the com.poc.util, which does have only two classes, date format utility, math util. So just click on math util. If you see here, it is showing 64% code coverage. So once you click on math util, see, as I told earlier, add method is fully covered 100%. But multiply, I commented out the JUnit test case. So particularly that method, it is showing 0% coverage and red color. If you click on that, it will clearly show it will clearly show where what line of code is not covered. So by seeing this, we can easily write a JUnit test case for this one. Similarly, if you notice, if you see the date formatter utility, see all these methods is covered 100%, but string to date is not, is only 58% covered. Let us see what code is not yet covered. So as I told you in the beginning, initially I told you that yellow diamond means that code is partially, that branch is partially covered. So here if branch is covered partially, I have written one test case for this if branch, but I haven't written any test case for this throw. So it is showing red color, and that diamond is showing only yellow color. And if it is green color diamond means, which means the entire branches is covered fully while executing exercising the JUnit test cases. So and similarly you can see here what green color means, that line of code is covered JUnit test cases, but yellow color means partially covered, red means which is not yet covered in the JUnit test cases. Like this we can generate Jacoco reports. So code coverage, so unit test, to do unit test, what and all you need to perform JUnit test, JUnit. So this is for unit testing. So using Jacoco report you can see what and all code lines of code is not covered while exercising the JUnit test cases, and you can write test cases based on that. Thanks for watching.